Good morning class, welcome. Today we are going to discuss about the disposal of waste product. Now this waste is of two types, solid waste and liquid waste. Solid waste like plastic bags, paper, fruit vegetable peels, metals, glass, all these things comes under the solid waste. And liquid waste like waste water from houses, from factories, then chemicals released by the factories in the rivers or in the other water bodies. So the disposal of this solid and liquid waste is very important. अगर हम इस वेस्ट मटेरियल को ऐसे ही छोड़ देते हैं, it will result in breeding of various hazardous diseases and pollution. Now this pollution can be soil pollution, air pollution or land pollution. Let us first discuss the disposal of liquid waste. From our houses or from factories, with the help of this underground pipes, the waste water from our houses or from factories, it goes in a main sewage. See, it is the underlying pipelines, and from the pipelines the waste water, it goes in the sewage plant or in the main sewage pipeline. From this sewage, that waste water or that dirty water moves through a pipeline to the water treatment plant. Look into the picture. From the houses or from the factories through underground pipelines, the waste material, it goes in the sewage pipes, and from the sewage pipes this dirty water is passed to the water treatment plant. So this liquid waste, it is transferred to the water treatment plant. Now these plants are generally established outside the cities. इन्हें शहर से दूर आउटस्कर्ट्स में इस्टेब्लिश किया जाता है, so that the proper treatment of the waste product can be easily done. Now from these water treatment plants, the water which is purified or from where उनमें से impurities को हटाया जाता है, the fresh water, it is again transferred or it is again supplied to the household. ये fresh water जो आपके घरों तक पहुंचता है, it comes from the water treatment plant. Various pipelines, यहाँ पे just like the कॉबवेब बहुत सारी पाइपलाइंस होती हैं जो पूरे के पूरे सिटी में, टाउनशिप में स्प्रेड होती हैं. सो दिस water which is now fresh, which is properly treated in the water treatment plant, it is again supplied to your houses or to the factories. And again the dirty water from your houses, it passes through the underground pipelines, then it get collected into the main sewage, from where the liquid waste is passed through the main sewage pipeline to the water treatment plant. Water treatment plant में various chemicals they are mixed with the liquid waste, then उसमें जो भी solid impurities होती हैं उन्हें remove किया जाता है, and again that fresh water is supplied to your houses or to the factories, to your school, hospitals, everywhere. Now let us discuss the disposal of solid waste. See, the solid waste like paper, plastic bags, vegetables, rotten fruits, leaves, glasses, bottles, everything which is thrown away by you in the dustbin from your houses, from the factories, from the school. This garbage is collected by the garbage collector. Now it is the duty of the municipality to collect all the all the wasted material from the various areas by garbage collector. Now this collected garbage is further transferred to the plants. You must have seen the trucks or the small carriers which carry garbage. Where they dump this garbage, वो ये इसको लेके जाते कहाँ हैं? आपने कई बार देखा होगा कि नगर निगम लिखा होता है, स्वच्छ भारत लिखा होता है, ग्रीन कलर की वैन्स होती हैं, तो दे कैरी दिस गार्बेज, लेकिन वो इसको लेके जाते कहाँ पे हैं? दे कैरी दिस गार्बेज एंड दे डंप इट इन द डंपिंग एरियाज. ओपन फील्ड होते हैं. These fields are generally outside the cities or town. ये outskirts में होते हैं, away from the residential area. I hope you remember residential area, जहाँ पे लोग रहते हैं, जहाँ पे आप रहते हैं. This is your residential area. So the garbage collector collects the garbage from the houses, factories and schools. Now after collecting this garbage, इसको trucks में load किया जाता है and then it is dumped in the open field. ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? Why they dump it outside the cities? It's because अगर आप city के अंदर dump करेंगे, flies और अदर एनिमल्स वो इसको इधर उधर कचरे को करेंगे और इट विल रिजल्ट इन द ब्रीडिंग ऑफ वेरियस डिजीजेस. That's why this garbage, it is collected by the garbage collector, then it is loaded in the trucks and the trucks they dump it in the open areas. जाके फेंक देते हैं open areas में, which is outside the cities. Now in that dumping area क्या होता है? Solid waste जो होते हैं उनमें से plastics, glasses, metals, they separate, उन्हें अलग अलग किया जाता है. So the municipal trucks usually dump this garbage in open areas or grounds outside the city. The garbage in open dump areas is left for a period of time where it keeps decaying. वहाँ पे ये क्या होता है? Decay होता है. It is broken down into smaller particles by the organisms or by the human activities. But this is not a safe method of disposal as germs breed here. The other method of disposal of garbage is burning it. So the first method is disposal in open area, but this is not a safe method because it results in breeding of germs. Now move to the second option, which is burning of garbage in the open area. But this burning, it also releases very harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, etc. So this also results in various lungs or respiratory diseases. So these both methods, they are not apt, इतने अच्छे नहीं हैं ये, क्योंकि अगर आप ओपन एरिया में डिस्पोज ऑफ करते हैं तो इट विल रिजल्ट इन ब्रीडिंग ऑफ जर्म्स, और अगर आप इसको जला देते हैं, गार्बेज को अगर आप बर्न करते हैं, देन ऑल्सो इट रिलीजेस वेरी हार्मफुल गैसेस लाइक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, मीथेन, एसेट्रा. So the burning is also not safe. Now next method is The third method is sanitary landfills and compost pit. Let's first move to the sanitary landfills. Landfills. Now what happens in sanitary landfills? A pit is dug. गड्ढा खोदते हैं and the garbage is thrown into that pit. उस पिट में हम पूरा का पूरा गार्बेज फेंक देते हैं and then it is covered by a thick layer of soil. मोटी सी थिक लेयर से इसको कवर कर देते हैं and it is left for a period of time. After few weeks, this garbage, it is decomposed by the earthworm, by the microorganisms. इनमें reaction होते हैं and it becomes manure. It becomes manure. Now this manure is used by the farmers in their field. The manure, it increases or it enhances the fertility of the soil. It results in enhancing the fertility of the soil. So in landfills, the garbage, it is thrown in a pit which is dug underground and it is covered by a thick layer of soil. After few weeks or months, this garbage, because of the organisms or activities or reactions, it turns into manure. This manure, जिसे हम हिंदी में खाद कहते हैं, this manure, it is used by the farmer which increases the fertility. उपजाऊ, ये आपकी जो लैंड होती है इसको फर्टाइल बनाता है, एग्रीकल्चर के लिए इसको अच्छा बनाता है. Now next is compost pit. In compost pit, the garbage is left for a period of time. इसको कुछ दिन के लिए छोड़ दिया जाता है and at the end, after few time, after passage of few weeks or months, ये जो आपका पिट होता है ये ओपन होता है, इसमें गार्बेज को बस डंप किया जाता है. थोड़े दिन बाद ये मैन्योर में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. बट विच वन इज़ सूटेबल? Sanitary landfill is more suitable as compared to compost pit, क्योंकि sanitary landfill में pit के अंदर जब garbage आप डालते हैं तो we cover it with the help of soil. इससे जो germs हैं वो बाहर नहीं आते हैं या it do not result in breeding of various diseases. On the other hand, compost pit जो होते हैं ये open ऐसे पड़े रहते हैं for few weeks और ये कुछ टाइम बाद कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं मैन्योर में. दे बोथ रिजल्ट इन मैन्योर. इन दोनों से ही हमें मैन्योर मिलता है विच इंक्रीजेज द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ द सॉइल. बट सैनिटरी लैंडफिल इज़ बेस्ट सूटेड.